Hi, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video and the sound quality isn't that great because I can't get the microphone to work. But what we will be making today is vanilla extract. It is so easy. All it is vodka and real vanilla beans. And what you're going to need is a large measuring cup, a container to keep the vanilla extract in, and a funnel to help make it easy pouring it into the bottle. All you do, really, it's so easy. You just cut the vanilla bean in half, then you take a knife, a real sharp knife, and you cut it down the length of the vanilla bean. And you're going to do that for 3 beans, and you just pop it down into the bottle. You don't have to scrape the vanilla beans out. I've seen some videos that have where they take the knife and they take the beans and they scrape them out with a knife. But that's just extra work because eventually it's going to be sitting in this for 6 months and those beans are going to be extracted, all that good flavor and everything, and you won't have to worry about taking that extra step. But it takes 3 vanilla beans per 8 ounces of vodka. And that bean was kind of crazy shape, but anyway. It takes a matter of probably 5 minutes to do this, and then you just measure out the vodka. Like I said, it was 8 ounces of vodka. Per 3 vanilla beans. And then you just take it and pour the vodka in. And then you can get these bottles at any home, a hobby shop. And I like to use the amber colored ones because vanilla extract lasts longer and tastes better, I think, in the darker bottles rather than the clear bottles. But it's your choice, whatever you want to do. And all you do is periodically, you kind of just shake it like that. And today is July 17th. And so by 6 months, around Christmas time, this should be ready. And it makes a great Christmas gift, birthday gift, or just a gift to a friend. And that's it. So easy.